What's an unsolved mystery that's actually super easy to explain, but nobody likes to say it out loud because the real answer is just boring? The Yuba County Five. People frame it like some sinister mystery, but really they just got lost, panicked, and made bad survival decisions. All but one of the group had developmental disabilities, and the one who didn't had serious mental illness. Their behavior only looks bizarre if you assume they were making rational choices. They stumbled into a survival cabin with food, heat, and clothes and still didn't use them. That wasn't a conspiracy, it was proof they weren't capable of handling the situation. Nobody lured them away from their car, nobody was chasing them. They simply weren't able to make the right calls, and that tragically led to starvation, cold, and scavenger animals finishing the rest. Plato invented Atlantis from scratch. He created it as the villains in an unfinished work meant to continue the Republic called Critias. In the Republic, he describes an ideal city-state. In Critias, he wanted to show how such a city would fare in war against its opposite, Persia, i.e. Atlantis. Remember, Athens had just finished a major war with Persia at that time. A key detail many miss, Atlantis was portrayed as a very bad place. Plato was a classic grumpy old man yelling at everything. He hated democracy, foreign contact, including trade for fairness, imperialism, and any innovation. He saw large construction projects as disrespect to the gods, and personal or architectural decoration as mere human vanity. Yet his description of this luxurious cosmopolitan city with amazing architecture and engineering ends up sounding impressive rather than repulsive.